Alright guys, so you guys remember this GMC air conditioner that I filmed about 4 months ago? Well, here it is again. This time starting up. And running. It's really powerful and very, very powerful fan. And very quiet. It is actually really, really quiet. It's been condensating. It doesn't run all that often, actually. She has it set to 76. So, eventually I'll get a startup of my grandma's air conditioner. So, this time, since I'm back in California, I will be getting a lot more startups now for you guys. So, I just used the disconnect for it. On it, so it's not that cold, not even warm. So there used to be a very old Payne air conditioner. I may or may not upload the old video of it from 2014 or 13 even, but it was really old. It was like those 80s style, not the 80s style, but those, it had the style of those 80s janitrol units. And it had this, I said high efficiency on the top, and it had like a crystal compressor. So, it was really old, and unfortunately this unit replaced it. I think it was in 2017, so I mean this unit is pretty dirty, so pretty sure of that actually. So yeah, figured I'd show this unit actually running. So I'm gonna keep it on. I'm not gonna turn it back off since the startup is the main part of the video. So thanks for watching, and probably the next video that you guys will see is me starting up my grandma's Payne air conditioner. So, as always, like, comment, and subscribe.